Chiles frying pan. Today we are going to be making Texan chili. Let's get cooking. Okay, let's start by searing our beef. So let's put it in our pan. Peel off this. And then what we're going to do is we are going to turn on the burner. Okay, now let's spread out our meat. Break up our chunks. Make sure you go. Okay, now that we're done searing this, turn off the burner, and we can move on to our next step. Okay, now let's put our beef into our crock pot, just like that. And then let's add our carrots, and then we'll add our diced tomatoes, our tomato sauce, our kidney beans or black beans, and our green chilies. And then we'll add our salt and pepper, chili powder, onion, dried onion, parsley or celery, and then our parsley. And then we will put our cover on and let this cook for 6 to 10 hours on low or 5 to 6 hours on high. And I'll show you the finished product. This is our finished product. Now that we're about halfway done cooking, we'll add our kidney beans or black beans, just like that.
so strange.